Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Fun with Chemistry. So today, as you have already seen in the thumbnail, we will discuss about the preparation and all properties and uses of DDT and BHC. These two are very small topic and these topics are frequently asked in competitive exams. So today we'll discuss about BHC and DDT. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So welcome guys. So as I told you, today we will discuss about the formation of DDT and BHC as well as their properties and their uses. So we'll start with DDT. Okay, so DDT I'm writing. Now I'll write the full form of DDT also, that is dichloro means 2 chlorine, dichloro means 2 chlorine, dichloro diphenyl, dichloro-diphenyl, trichloro means 3 chlorine, ethane. This is the full form for DDT. Dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane is the full form of DDT. So we'll discuss the preparation of DDT after that, how it is formed commercially also. Preparation of DDT, dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. So basically it is formed by chloral. I'll tell you what is chloral also, as well as I'll tell you the IPAC name of chloral. Chloral and chlorobenzene, two compounds we need for the formation of DDT. So chloral I am drawing. The structure of chloral is CCl3 and CHO. This is the structure of chloral, CCl3, CHO. This is the aldehydic part and carbon and chlorine. So how many carbons are there? This is carbon number 1. Okay, this is carbon number 2. In carbon number 2, 3 chlorines are there. So I'll write the name 2, 2, 2 because 3 chlorines are there. Trichloro, meth and eth. 2 carbons are there, so eth and Al, this al for aldehyde group. Whenever aldehyde group is present as a suffix or as a bigger group, so at the end we will add Al. So 2, 2, 2, that means 3 chlorine, trichloro in second position. Eth means 2 carbon and al stands for aldehyde group as a suffix. Okay, so this is chloral. When chloral is treated with chlorobenzene, benzene is a hexagonal ring, so this is benzene. Chlorobenzene means containing chlorine. Okay, 2 chlorobenzene I will take because in the formation of DDT 2 benzene rings are used. So 2 benzene plus, because they are reacting. This reaction is done in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. This reaction is done in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. I am writing conc. Please, when you will note the reaction, please mention the full name, concentrated H2SO4, which is used as a dehydrating agent. The role of this agent is to remove water molecule only. In 80% of the reaction in chemistry, the role of this compound is to remove water. So here also it will remove water. How it will remove water? In each carbon of benzene, these are the carbons. If organic chemistry is new for you, these are the carbons. So in each carbon, one hydrogen is there. So I am showing one hydrogen only because I have to show the liberation of water. So I am removing the IPAC name here because I'll show you the liberation. See, one hydrogen, second hydrogen and this oxygen in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, liberation of water molecule. Water molecule is removed. Now what we have to do, we have to just now I'll merge this compound with this. Okay, this portion with this I'll merge. So what product I'll get, I'm writing here. CCl3 is as such, CCl3. Okay, now see, This portion is left, single bond CH. This portion is as such. Now this double bond is this double bond is dissociated in the removal of water molecule, so we'll not consider this double bond also. Now only two rings with chlorine are there, so I'll write this is the first ring with chlorine, okay, and this is the second ring with chlorine. This is called DDT. This is called DDT. Dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. This is the structure of DDT. Now, if I'll talk about the color, basically it is a white crystalline solid having a melting point of something about 382 Kelvin. Melting point of DDT is 382 Kelvin. A white crystalline solid. It is almost insoluble in water. That means if some compounds are not soluble in water, that means surely it get dissolved in organic solvent. So it is not soluble in water, but it is soluble in organic solvent like benzene and ether. It is a powerful insecticide. It is a very powerful insecticide also, and it is very cheap and it kill harmful insects. But the fourth point is very important for DDT. It is non-biodegradable. After this point, we'll discuss uses. Then I'll tell you why it is not used now, because it is non-biodegradable. Okay, so it is a best insecticide, but why it is banned now? Because it is non-biodegradable, so it is not very safe for humans as well as for animals. So this is the preparation of DDT. Okay, after this we will discuss the preparation of BHC. Okay, so now we'll discuss BHC. The full form of BHC is benzene hexachloride. Benzene ring to now we all know. Hexa stands for 6 and chlorine means Cl, and this is the formula C6H6Cl6 benzene hexachloride. Basically it is a very common pesticide. Okay, I'll tell some common, or we can say commercial name also for this. The name is Gamexine. First commercial name is Gamexine. Okay, it is also known as Lindane. Okay, and sometimes it is also referred to as 6,6,6, or we can say 666. Why? Because in the structure of BHC we have 6 carbon, 6 hydrogen and 6 Cl, so sometimes it is also referred to as 666. Okay, so IUPAC name also I will tell you, the name which is given by International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, but IUPAC name I'll tell you when I'll draw the structure. After the preparation I'll tell you about the IUPAC name. So we'll move to the preparation of BHC. This is the common things. Benzene hexachloride name, C6H6Cl6 is the formula, and these are the commercial name, Gamexine, Lindane or 666. Okay, after that we will discuss the preparation of BHC. So moving to the preparation of BHC. Preparation of BHC. Okay, so benzene hexachloride is formed by benzene only. So this is benzene, and as I told you in DDT reaction, in every carbon, these are the carbon. When you will write, no need of showing these carbons, because in organic chemistry carbon and hydrogens are not shown in bond line representation. I'm just for explaining you, I am showing these carbons. So all carbon contain one hydrogen in each position. So when benzene is treated with 3Cl2, okay, 3Cl2 means how many carbon atoms? Sorry, how many chlorine atoms? 6 chlorine atoms. Total 6 chlorine atoms we have. In the presence of UV light, ultraviolet light, this reaction is done in the presence of ultraviolet light, benzene and chlorine in the presence of UV light. So in all positions, in all carbon position, hydrogen is replaced by chlorine. So first of all, in every position you will get chlorine. In all 6 positions you will get chlorine, as well as the bond which is present inside benzene ring, it gets dissociated during the entire process. So this is your final product. Okay, in 6 positions 6 chlorine, as well as the bond is dissociated. So this is known as benzene hexachloride. Now the question is, if the bond is dissociated, why we are pronunciating it as benzene hexachloride? This is the common name. When we will write its IPAC name, that time we will not mention it benzene, because alternate double bonds we need. And that time we will consider this ring as cyclohexene, but just for writing its common name, we will use the word benzene only, benzene hexachloride. Okay, if I'll discuss about the IPAC name now, see, this is very important, because in many competitive exam the IPAC name of benzene is asked. So common name is, see, if I'll mark the position, this is position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexa stands for 6. Hexachloro cyclohexane, this is the common name. This is the common name for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexachlorocyclohexane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In each position 1 chlorine is there. Hexa for 6 total. Which group? Chlorine. And this ring is cyclohexane, as I told you. When I'll write the IPAC name, that time I'll not use the word benzene for this. Okay, I don't know, in many books still benzene hexachloride is used, but if you will see the authentic book, the foreign writers book, in that it is clearly mentioned that for this ring we cannot use the word benzene. So cyclohexane is the word preferred according to the concept, and it is right also. Okay, basically this benzene hexachloride exists in 8 isomeric form. You can change this structure in 8 other forms, but out of those 8 forms, only 5 you can synthesize, purely 5 only you can synthesize. And if I'll tell you the name, we will not discuss about the 5 forms. The names are alpha, then beta, gamma and delta and epsilon. These are the 5 forms: alpha, beta, gamma, delta and epsilon. These are the 5 forms. BHC is also used as an insecticide. Okay, because it is odorless and it is more effective, so it is preferred over DDT, or we can say it is superior over DDT. So as I told you, DDT is banned now, BHC is used. So these are the uses of BHC. So in this video we have covered about the DDT properties, uses and their preparation, as well as for BHC. Today we have covered the topic DDT and BHC, their preparation, their properties, as well as their uses. So these are the topics which are asked in various competitive exams which are held after class 12th. So this is it for today. We'll meet in the next video where I'll teach you some new concept. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos, as well as share my videos to your friend. We will meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.